Hello, my name is Mary McElhenney, and today I will be showing you a short lesson that will introduce you to the basics of editing a photograph in Photoshop. Please pause this video so that you can open Photoshop if you have not done so already. As we begin to learn about this software, it is important to know that this is a basic editing lesson. The first important part is taking a good photograph. Photoshop is a great editing program, but it can't fix everything. Now we need to open the photograph onto Photoshop. With your mouse, click File and then click Open. When you have done this, a screen will pop up asking you where you would like to retrieve your photo from. When I have a project that I'm working with a lot, I find it easier to make a folder on the desktop. This way you can keep your different images and creations in an easy place to retrieve them. After clicking Open, you can begin to edit your photo. My example photograph is a photograph of my puppy Dolce looking very upset because she just got a bath. As you can see, when taking the photo, Dolce got red eye. This is a very simple procedure to change red eye. On the left-hand side of Photoshop, you will see the Tools bar. The tool we are going to use for red eye is the Red Eye tool. The image for the tool is literally a red eye. Sometimes the eyes of your subject might not be as big as Dolce's eyes. In this case, I would suggest using the Zoom tool. A shortcut for this tool is the letter Z. When you push the letter Z on your keyboard, the Zoom tool is activated. Your mouse will turn into a small magnifying glass. All you have to do is zoom into the eyes and click. This will make it easier to select the iris, which is where you will need to click for the Red Eye tool to work. Now we are ready to use the Red Eye tool. Click on the tool and your mouse will turn into a cross. The use of this tool is very simple. All you have to do is put your mouse in the center of the eye and click, and the tool will take the red eye away. This is before and after using the Red Eye tool. The next step we are going to do is changing the darkness of the photograph. An easy way of doing this, which will allow you to see your results instantly, is the Adjust Lighting tool. Sometimes when taking a photograph, you are unaware that your photograph can look better with just a little adjustment of the lighting. But we all can't control the sun. So to help this, we are going to use the Adjust Lighting tool. To find this tool, go to the Enhance feature located at the top of the screen. Now I know when you click on the Enhance button, it gives you the tempting option to use an Auto Fix tool. But when you use this tool, sometimes it can make the image too dark or too bright. I would always suggest adjusting it on your own. So continue now to the Adjust Lighting button. The Adjust Lighting feature will bring you to a sidebar that asks you which type of lighting adjustment you would like to use: shadows and highlights, brightness and contrast, and levels. For this particular photograph, I am just going to use the Shadows and Highlights tool. When you click this feature, a window will pop up. This will show you different sliders in which to change your photograph: lighten shadows, darken shadows, and mid-tone contrast. This tool works well because it can lower shadows around your subject and make your subject pop. Use the sliders to adjust the photograph's shadows and highlights. When you have adjusted to your liking, click OK. The next tool we are going to use is the Crop tool. You can find it in the Tools bar or just press C on your keyboard. The Crop tool is useful to help you make your subject the focus and not something in the background. Click the Crop tool and click on your image where you would like to begin cropping and drag the box over your subject. When finished cropping, just click the green check mark at the bottom or the red X to start over. I hope this tutorial helped you with some of the very basics of Photoshop. Always be curious and find new features on your own. You never know what new creations you can come up with.